Good evening. With Dean Davis here with your weather outlook, and it's on late on in the evening of the 7th. So this will be into the 8th. We're going to start looking at the data for the 8th and on. And you can tell you right now, you've been watching, we've been talking about storms being setting up for possibly getting some snowfall. And I'm telling you right now, watch this. The last 6 days, you've seen it. Okay, it's starting to look even better. As we get closer, things will start playing out better. But don't know guarantee we're going to get it. But I'm telling you, this NAO's thinking, the AO is thinking, the PNA's rise, and this is perfect timing if this all comes together. And what these models have been showing is based on that. First, we'll take a look on the day on Friday. You can see a low pressure system here off the coast. This may actually become a subtropical storm as it moves towards Bermuda. Rainfall will be moving into the area, especially for this weekend, as you can see. Oh, let me pull that back to where we had it. Especially this weekend, here Saturday and Sunday. Heavy rainfall along the East Coast. That would include Philadelphia, back here to Roanoke. Look where there's some snow. Pretty good sized snow here in Chicagoland, back south and west, and parts of Indianapolis. This low looks like it may be pushing to the east a little further, which would allow that to be some decent snowfall. And I know people in the Midwest, some plow guys I know, really look forward to that. Then we get into the 17th. We got this moisture coming in from the south and west. This is just a classic. This is going to look like somewhat of a Miller A system. Miller's Miller A and a Miller B. Miller B comes in from the west, transfers its energy to the east coast. Boom. This Miller A's come out of the Gulf of Mexico and up the coast, or from the south and the west. This is pretty close. Actually, the first part is going to be Miller A. The second part looks like Miller B. So it's going to be kind of a mixed system here. So snowfall, it shows snowfall. And I'm saying it's just been showing consistently on the models. It would be there along here, Roanoke and Lynchburg, up starting in the South Jersey. So we would have to watch that. Here's where it looks really good. That storm starts to really crank it up at the coast. You got bombogenesis, and that's a word that we like using also, where we lose over 24 millibars in a short period of time, and that's called bombogenesis. When that bombs out, you get heavy snowfall, and look where the heavy snowfall is. Roanoke, Lynchburg, southern New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Areas that have been wanting snowfall for a long time. So if this continues at this rate, it's going to be one heck of a storm. But like I said, this is over a week out still, but this should be something to be excited about. That this models and the trend, at least, shows this. We have a trend now for over 6 to 7 days of this happening. We may get some mix of rain. This is where the rain snow line may come in because of a warm ocean. We may get some mix in New Jersey. That's where this is going to get a little tricky if this continues on the same route. And it's been close every day on the thing, but where that snow and rain line is where that heavy rain and the heavy snow would meet. And you see still back in a row and some snow, and that is on that Sunday the 17th. Why do I have a little more confidence in this also? This is the Euro. We talk about this all the time. Cold air will be entrenched the day before. Okay, lots of cold air, and as we move in with the moisture over the cold air, we get the snow. That's why it feels better in the confidence. And like I said, the AO and the NAO are just bombing on that date here. And the storm track will be meshing with the polar jet. Perfect timing. If it all comes to be in situation, and I really hope it does, because we do need a good snowstorm. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Think snow.